The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has been a long time coming. While DJI and GoPro dropped their new action cams over the summer, Insta360 has been pretty quiet. But it looks like they've been busy behind the scenes. And now, everyone's waiting to see what the Ace Pro 2 brings to the table. Some leaks just dropped not long ago, and they've given us a sneak peek at what might be the Ace Pro 2. Yeah, it's real, and things are about to get exciting. The leaks come from the ever-reliable @Quadro_news on X, formerly Twitter. They've shared some juicy marketing slides, showing off what Insta360's planning for their next GoPro rival. One of the big highlights? A new one over 1.3-inch 50-megapixel sensor, up from 48 megapixel on the current Ace Pro. It also packs a 157-degree field of view, which should make for some epic wide-angle shots. But that's just the start. What really caught our eye is the pairing of Insta360's 5nm AI chip with a new Pro imaging chip. Now, they haven't said much about what this mystery chip does exactly, but it sounds like it's going to supercharge features like Pure Video, their tech for improving low-light shots. And speaking of improvements, this thing is reportedly stepping up to 4K 60p active HDR footage, which is a nice bump from the 4K 30p max of the current model. Oh, and Pure Video's now available for both 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratios, which is cool if you're into versatility. But here's the kicker. While it's looking like a solid upgrade overall, we don't yet know if it'll support 10-bit color depth, a limitation they've mentioned on the current model. There's also a new feature called Memories Album, which uses AI to help organize and maybe even edit your footage. Think GoPro's Quick app, but with Insta360's own twist. And they're making some big claims about the Ace Pro 2's ability to handle tough shooting conditions. Insta360 is clearly taking aim at their competitors with that one. As for audio, there's a hardware upgrade here too, with new mic tech, supposedly beefed up by that AI chip as well. No official word on when the Ace Pro 2 will hit shelves, but judging by all these leaks, the launch might be right around the corner. So, will this be the camera to finally take down the GoPro Hero 13 Black or DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? We'll have to wait and see, but it's definitely shaping up to be a fierce battle in the action cam world. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.